Happy Tulip Tuesday. This is the day we share timely tips for the Tulip Bunch. Today, talking about UGlue. Comes in dashes and strips, so you can adjust with what size you need. Best of all, you can even cut it, make it smaller, saving money. Trick is to get your scissors wet first, then you can cut. Maybe you just need half a dash. Pull it off. Set it onto whatever you're trying to glue. Pull off the tab. Then you can roll it, creating a little bit of creative flair, ready to add to your design. Other times, you might need a larger piece, maybe even more than a strip. You want something longer. Calathea leaves are fabulous, variegated on the front, purple on the back. Putting the two together can give you a really interesting look, but it's a long leaf. To do that, take your strip, pull it out, then getting your fingers wet so that you don't stick to it. Fingers wet again, then stretch it out, laying it down, adhering. Then simply take your second leaf and place it right against, firmly. You get a beautiful look. So you can adjust half a dash or a stretch dash to get whatever you need. Now you know how the pros do it.